In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain you already own to Wix using GoDaddy. If you've built your site on Wix and want your existing domain to point to it, this process is fairly straightforward. What you'll be doing is updating your domain's name servers in GoDaddy so Wix can manage the connection properly. Before you begin, make sure you can access both your Wix account and your GoDaddy domain settings, since you'll be switching between the two. Start by logging into Wix. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Settings, then Domains, and choose the option to connect a domain you already own. This tells Wix that you're not buying a new domain through them, but instead linking one that's registered somewhere else. Next, enter your domain name exactly as you own it, then select GoDaddy as your provider. Wix will then generate the name server information you need. You should see two Wix name servers listed on screen. These are the values that will route your domain to your Wix website, so copy both of them carefully. It's a good idea to keep this tab open so you can easily come back and double check the entries if needed. Now, in a separate browser tab, log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. Find the domain you want to connect, select it, and then click on Name Servers. This is the area where you control where your domain points. When prompted, choose the option that says you'll use your own name servers. This is important because you're replacing GoDaddy's default name servers with the ones provided by Wix. Paste in the two Wix name servers exactly as shown. Accuracy matters here, so take a moment to confirm there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. Once everything looks correct, click Save. After that, your changes will be submitted and your domain will begin pointing to Wix. Keep in mind that name server changes usually aren't instant. In many cases, the update starts working sooner, but full propagation can take some time depending on your domain and network conditions. If the domain doesn't connect immediately, that's normal. Give it a little time, then return to Wix and check the domain status again. As long as the name servers were entered correctly, the connection should complete once the changes finish updating across the internet. That's it. You've now connected your GoDaddy domain to Wix by updating the name servers correctly.